Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name was Kito Mulyajati. I was from Jakarta. That October to 27, 2004. I from Jakarta. I'm kid to two from three children. My father jobs, not jobs. Mother jobs, motivator. I am currently studying at Pesantren Ores Miftahul Barokah. Here we will learn about akidah moral, fikih, and memorize the Quran. In addition, we are accustomed to carrying our obligatory worship and sunnah every day, starting from waking up in the morning before dawn to perform tahajud prayer. Continue to pray subuh jamaah, then zikir and reciting Al-Quran towards sunrise with the positive memorize the Quranic verses and then the Sunnah Syuruk prayer. When the sun starts to shine, we prepare for a morning shower, but before that activities cleanse the pesantren area. When the breakfast bells rang, we rushed to the dining room to eat a meal. After breakfast, we went to the mosque to perform duha prayer and learning Arabic. In addition to the activities of the ministry, we also studied at Orange Vocational School. The advantage of this school is preparing us to be entrepreneurs who are ready to fight, building the community of their ummah. The first step to becoming an entrepreneur is to build Orange renewable successful personality. We must have an optimist spirit, diligence, discipline in activities. In insightful entrepreneur, strong intention and guiding. Always the care and worship. For this reason, we learn and practice in reading, writing, cutting, and speaking. Reading is not just reading, but we must be able to read opportunities and challenge. Reading here we must be able to write a life proposal that contains dream that we want to achieve, write about our strengths and weakness, draw up a plan to do and evaluate the mistakes we have made. Counting, in this case, is managing the time, cost, and nominal target money need to realize our dreams. One of our dreams is to graduate from Pesantren Orange into worship Ummah, which Pesantren to realize it takes 40 million pounds per cent. Speaking is the ability that we must master to build relationship and work with various parents to realize our common dreams. Activities of studying in vocational school is finished ahead of Asar. We before his race to prayer and lunch. Before Asar, we had the opportunity to take a nap on the terrace of the mosque. After the prayer of Asar and Zikir, we read the Quran, Surah Ar-Rahman. Be regularly reading Surah Ar-Rahman to that our hearts are calm and always grateful for all the gift that Allah gives. But Asar, we have the opportunity to exercise before the afternoon shower. With the bill before Maghrib rang, we rushed to the mosque to read the Quran and add to memorize. Finished praying Maghrib and Zikir, we read Surah Yasin. By regular reading Surah Yasin, may we be focused in realizing the dreams that we have written in the proposal of life. Before Isha prayer, we head to the dining room for dinner. After the prayer of Isha and Zikir, we read Surah Al-Mulk. By reciting Surah graduation, we ask for the goodness or forgiveness of Allah to avoid punishment of the grave. Then we followed the study of the yellow book from the Pesantren Mani. Finished our study to the dormitory to relax for a moment before the night break. Thus, the story of our struggle to become Santri Pesantren Ars Mitul Warkah. May every step and our efforts be facilitated by Allah Subhanahu wa Taala as a devoted manifestation to the parents. I'm sorry if there's anything wrong. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.